Imagine a world where transactions are not only conducted but also verified and executed automatically. This is the world of smart contracts. Born from the complexity of blockchain technology, smart contracts are self executing agreements where the terms are written directly into code. They don't just define the rules of the agreement, they autonomously execute, verify, and enforce them. The basics of smart contracts. A smart contract isn't just a digital document, it's a piece of software embedded in the blockchain. It operates autonomously without the need for intermediaries like banks or lawyers. Smart contracts are activated when predefined conditions are met, and they ensure transactions are completed exactly as agreed upon. For example, imagine a smart contract written in a programming language like Solidity for Ethereum or Clarity for Stacks. This code defines the logic and conditions of the agreement, automatically executing actions when the specified conditions occur. How smart contracts work? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine Anna wants to sell her house to Ivan. They decide to use a smart contract for the transaction. The smart contract is programmed with the following terms. Once Ivan transfers the agreed upon payment to Anna's account, the ownership of the house is automatically transferred to Ivan. No real estate agents or lawyers are required, and the entire process is completed securely and efficiently. The security of this transaction is guaranteed by the blockchain. Each smart contract is part of the blockchain inheriting its properties. Immutability. Once a contract is created, it cannot be changed. Decentralization. The contract operates without relying on a central authority. Cryptographic protection. The blockchain ensures the contract is secure and protected from fraud or hacking. Validation and execution. Every smart contract requires validation before it can execute. On networks like Ethereum, miners validate transactions and include them in blocks. Once a smart contract is validated and added to the blockchain, it automatically executes according to the embedded terms. For example, in Anna and Ivan's case, the smart contract will verify that the payment has been transferred. Once confirmed, the contract automatically transfers ownership of the house to Ivan. All of this happens transparently, securely, and without manual intervention. The benefits of smart contracts. Smart contracts are transforming how we do business and manage assets. Here's why they are so powerful. Automation. Transactions and processes happen automatically when conditions are met. Transparency. All terms and actions are visible and verifiable. Security. Blockchain technology ensures that contracts cannot be tampered with. Efficiency. By removing intermediaries, smart contracts save time and reduce costs. Fraud prevention. The decentralized and immutable nature of blockchain minimizes the risk of fraud and errors. Smart contracts are a game changer for industries ranging from real estate to finance, supply chain management, and beyond. They provide a secure, efficient, and transparent way to conduct transactions, paving the way for a more automated and trustworthy digital future.